Hi guys, now today join me as we jump on board Costa Diadema, which was a Dream Class cruise ship operated by Costa Cruises. Now today we're going to be looking at a standard balcony cabin up on deck 7 of the ship, but if you are interested in seeing other grades of cabin, for example inside, outside or suite cabins, then head over to my channel, search for Diadema and you'll find exactly what you're looking for on there. Now, today we are looking at cabin 7027, which means that you're in cabin number 27 up on deck 7 of the ship. Now, coming in, you'll see that the room feels fairly similar to what you'll see in a lot of other cruise ship cabins. But let me give you a look around every part of this cabin, and I'll then take you out onto the balcony to give you a feel for what you can expect if you were to book a balcony on board Costa Diadema. Now, first up, on either side of the bed, you've got closable cupboards with a lamp directly on top, which is operated with the usual on-off switch directly in front of the lamp. Now if we go down to the other side of the bed, you'll see that you've got exactly the same over there. Now directly beside the bed, you've then got your sofa area that's got another light on the left hand side there. Now that can convert into a bed, but for the purpose of this video, it's just kept as a room that sleeps two. Now over here on the other wall is where you've got a lot of storage that I'm going to walk you through now, and a decent size of desk area actually. Now first up, underneath the TV, which is on a bracket and can turn, you've got the first of your little cupboards to just get rid of things in there. It's not wide, but it's decent to just get things out of sight. You've then got your fridge or your minibar, and I always say to people, without sounding like a broken record, if you're not on a drinks package and you don't want to pay for the drinks in there, just ask your cabin steward to empty that and they'll usually do so and you can use it yourself. Now you've then got a whole host of drawers here. The top one will always house your hairdryer, and all of the others below are empty and ready for you to put whatever you need to in there. Now they all lock shut as well, so if you are experiencing motion at night on the ocean, then yeah, they're not going to fly open and it should remain quiet. Now on top of the desk, you've got your phone, you've then got your plug points here, so you've got one European and one US plug. You've then got more refreshments which you can purchase if you need to. And one point that is worth mentioning is how many lights there are in here. Now if I just pan the camera around, you can see that about half of the room has got perimeter lighting all the way around, and it actually does make the room feel so bright. If you head over and look at what they've done with the inside cabin on this ship on my channel, I think you'll be quite impressed. Now moving to look at storage over here then, you've got a number of big wardrobes actually. Now the first one features your safety deposit box and also your pool towels, and it's all done in a shelving arrangement. Now your second one has got your life jackets at the bottom, hanging space followed by a couple of shelves. And then if we move over to the right hand side into cupboard number 3, I was so surprised there's 3. You find more hanging space and more shelves. So for me travelling on my own, if I was cruising in here, I would have so much room. And I think, to be honest, if I cruised in here with someone, I would have absolutely no issues with the number of wardrobes that they're giving you. Now you've got a privacy hole on the door there which is covered, and then you've got the details of your cabin steward directly beside the door, and also your key card holder so that that will activate the lights when you come into the room or when you leave the room. Now turning around, you've got your air conditioning, which on this ship it's either cooler or hotter. You can't turn it off, but the fans on here I had absolutely no problems with. And moving into the bathroom, I do always say with this ship, just remember you're not on a brand new glitzy mega ship, so the bathrooms and stuff will be a little bit more dated than what you're used to if you're used to cruising on the much bigger, newer ships. But that said, totally usable, absolutely nothing wrong in here, with the exception of the shower curtain. So yeah, hopefully one day we'll live in a world where, yeah, you don't have to put up with them on cruise ships, but for now they still feature. Now you've then got a washing line, which means that you can wash your clothes during your cruise and you can get them up there to dry, or you can use that to hang your towels up if you want to reuse them. Now anyway, let me take you outside and show you what you're paying the money for with this cabin. Now you can see here it's a little bit different to a lot of other cruise ship balconies in the respect that it's not got a sliding door. They've opted for a traditional outward opening door followed by a glass window that looks out from the bedroom. Now up here you've got your child locks, so if you do have kids in here, don't worry, you can lock that out of reach for them to open the door. And then out here you've got your balcony, so decent size actually, which if you've never cruised before that might shock you, but this actually is a pretty decent size of balcony. They're usually not large at all. Now furniture wise, you've got 2 chairs, you've then got a table, and you've also got an ashtray because you are permitted to smoke on a Costa balcony. And yeah, that's it. That's a really quick look round a balcony cabin on board Costa Diadema. Now if you're new to my channel, I'm spending most of this year living on cruise ships as a passenger, so remember to jump down below, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel while you're there, because I have got a lot more to show you. But let me know, what do you think? Thank you for watching, and catch up soon. Cheers guys.